36 left, so the land out after the yellow dot, to the low wing approaching the threshold at 36 left. Keep it fine, keep it in the air all the way down to the yellow dot. Keep it at that altitude, keep it, do not touch down until you get to the yellow dot. You're my first aircraft in the pack, keep it airborne.
For Cody flight, island inbound, we'd like to fly through over the airport at 3,000.
At what altitude?
We want to fly over the airport at 3,000 to cross over 927.
Okay, that's good.
Tower Amphib, Echo November Sierra over the sea base, want to come into the airport.
My second one touching down. That's the RV demo approaching 36 right threshold?
That's it.
Okay.
And Tower Amphib over the sea base, Echo November Sierra, want to come to the airport.
Ampo towards a right base and the high wing approaching numbers to 36 left. Keep it airborne. Keep it airborne. You got traffic at your 6 that's overtaken. Keep it airborne. Keep it flying all the way down. The second aircraft approaching the threshold, the yellow high wing approaching the threshold, put it down on the purple dot. The aircraft's coming over the purple dot right now. Keep it in the air past the yellow dot. You need to put it down past the yellow dot. The one that just crossed over the threshold, you're coming to the purple dot. You can put it down at that purple dot right now. If you can set it down, go ahead. The yellow high wing. Set it down at that purple dot. The one that's coming down to the yellow dot, go ahead and fly past the yellow dot, and put it down past the yellow dot. The one that just touched on the purple dot, you can turn left into the grass and join the paved ditch from there. Turn left into the grass. The one that just turned off at the yellow dot there, turn left into the grass, join the paved ditch. There's one on final, got about a short final for only 36 left. I want you to fly it down past the yellow dot and you're clear to land as well. Big forward, miles left. Amphib, you're behind the tri-motor there at your 12 o'clock and runway 36 right, so to land out after the red square.
Okay, clear to land after the red.
We'll have donated to our bookstore. We have easy pricing from $1 all the way up to several $100. Rare books. There's great air conditioning bill. You can stop on by it, and all the proceeds from the sale of the books go right back into the
Yeah, hopefully this isn't a dog or grasshopper in there, is it?
Oh, we'll be in later. Builder than Handy.
Pleasure.
Wilson, Jeff, report.
Gotcha, gotcha. Thanks.
Thank you. Great work.
You guys too. Well, that's good stuff. Little forward, demo towards mile right base, runway 36 right. 4 do have a 747 inbound on 8 mile final. There's a possibility you may have to hold out just a tick. Roger that, low 4. T6, runway 36 will left to the land. Jane, you can set it down there, and I need you to turn off in the grass. I can get a departure out, pick up the tape bitch. Setting across from the interstate now, runway 36 left to the land, out after the yellow box. Without 36 left.
VTEL, you following the high wing on short final 36 right?
36 right?
Roger, VTEL, put it on the numbers, Numbers. And high wing, third high wing in line there, you're going to land 36 right, red square.
36 right, what color square?
And high wing, third high wing there, on final, they're changing. That's the left turn off hard surface there, left turn off. Follow flagman. Biplane, put it down on the runway, the next off runway as fast as you can, grass is available, road smooth. And biplane, traffic will be departing downfield to 4th. And biplane, give me a left turn into the grass. And big 4 clear for takeoff, runway 36 left.
Big 4. The little 4 is clear, in position, top of 2, right behind big 4.
Little 4, runway 36 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, little 4.
Straight ahead and 36 right, red square, clear to land. And flight 2 looking good there, continuing down the yellow square, keeping the air all the way to correction, yellow dot, keep it down to the yellow dot.
How's it going?
Wing mile south of the field, 36 left, yellow dot clear to land, 2 aircraft in front of you going 36 right. Everyone on 36 right, keep it in the air all the way down to the red square, all the way down to the red square. It's a long taxi, guys, so all the way to the red square for you guys. Long taxi, all the way, you're just going right off the end. Aircraft just turned to final there, 36 left, yellow dot, clear to left. Guys on 36 right, once you put it on the ground, high speed taxi in, 36 left as soon as you get it under control, into the grass, left turn into the grass please. Flight left into the grass, flight 2 left into the grass.